Welcome back. Hopefully you saw my for example of square numbers from 1 to 5. So we use a for when we know the beginning and we know the end. And this code works out quite nicely. And I challenge you to write it using a while. So before we go any further, I want to make sure you understand the for is you put a variable here that you want to contain the numbers from 1 to 5, one at a time. This is the start and this is the end, but it doesn't actually go to 6. It goes one less, which is 5. So it automatically increments from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. Let's go look at the while version of the code. And you'll notice, I'll put them side by side so you can compare. It's changed a little bit. So notice we put out to the screen, and if you remember, the /n stands for new line, while loop sample new line square numbers 1 to 5. We have to initialize I number to 1, and then we have a while. It's kind of like writing an if statement. So let's go through the first time. I number is 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 5? True or false? And hopefully you said true. We put 1 out to the screen. We tab over to another column. 1 to the second power is 1. And it's our responsibility in a while loop to add 1 to the counter. So we go from 1 to 2 and we come back up here. Is 2 less than or equal to 5? That's true. We put 2. 2 to the second power is 4. After we tab, of course. Then we add 1 to 2. 1 gets added to 2 and it comes 3. Is 3 less than or equal to 5? True. 3, 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. We come back up. Is 4 less than or equal to 5? True. 4. 4 to the second power is 16. 4 plus 1 is 5. Is 5 less than or equal to 5? True. 5 goes out. Tab. 5 to the second power is 25. 5 plus 1 is 6. We come up. And is 6 less than or equal to 5? And the answer is false. And we skip over everything and we get out. Let's run the code and see where we end up. Beautiful. You can see how it worked. Which do you like better, the for or the while?